Okay, so this is an update for number 17. The switch number 17 that had the faulty port, and now I screwed it in place. I have not soldered anything, and I have put a little bit more solder on those pads that were left, and actually got some of the other pads also too, as you saw in the picture there, or I put it up right now, and now this charges. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to solder these pins right here in place, and I'm not gonna use any hot air. I'm just gonna solder them, and hopefully it will stick. Okay, so here you see a close-up of the USB port and me trying to solder the pads to the pins, and well, the thing is that the distance between the pads and the pins were a little bit too big, and without those pads complete underneath it was really hard. But I actually removed the screws, pushed the USB-C port forward, and then soldered it again, and it works much better. I used flux also, and it worked really well. So I think I got the whole row connected, and or one of the rows here, the one that you see, and the other one underneath. I don't think I have a single. Well, I might have one pad there, but the rest is gone. So hopefully this will be enough. All right. So I made it a little better, and I used a little bit more flux. It was not working as well, and unfortunately I didn't get that on camera, but let's see where we're at now. Okay, and let's see. Okay, 0.46. Wow, a fast charge. Okay, this is great news. Now we're gonna clean it up and put some paste on it, and then we're ready. So let's take this away. Okay. Let's put some thermal paste here. That's probably good, and gonna slide it in there. Okay. Oops. And then we have this, and I'm gonna have to clean up this mess here. And okay, so I cleaned this. It's pretty clean, and put a little bit there, and just so it makes contact. And happy with that. Should we try now? No, we will not. We will take risk that it actually works and put this on. So I put these screws back together, and then we test it. Okay, here we go. And now it's time to test it. Let's see. And also it might be that this cable only works one way, but it should at least work nothing. Please let it work this way then. Oh, come on. Yes! Look at that. Oh, console battery 54% and charging. And is it stable? It's okay. It's actually gone up to, it's drawing 83 now. 80. Oh, that's so good news. Alright, so we have number 17 is now done, and I even think I'll be able to hook this up to computer or something if we have those pads okay also. And maybe I can even push it. I could even mod this if those two are working, but I don't know. But this is good enough for now, and now number 17 is signing off. Thank you so much.